Hello guys, this is Kamal and I'm presenting you my master's thesis on cauliflower disease detection and field mapping using the deep learning techniques. As we all know, cauliflower plant often suffers with diseases like black rot, down mildew, and the bacterial spot rot, which reduces the yield and the quality of the cauliflower. Currently, the farmers are using a modern manual technique to detect these diseases in the fields, but this one was very hard to do in the bigger fields. My project solves this by building an AI-based system that automatically detects the disease and shows the spread across the field. For this project, I have used the three state-of-art models, the YOLO V8, V9, and V10. Uh, these three are used to detect the disease. I have trained them to recognize four classes. The four classes are three are the disease of the cauliflower and one was the healthy one. To make them more reliable, I use data augmentation such as rotation, flipping, and the brightness changes. And I have also tuned the training settings like batch sizes, apertures, and the learning rate. This helps the model learn disease pattern specific to the cauliflower instead of just relying on the generic data. Unlikely to the real-time system that needs more powerful hardware, my project uses offline approach. Images are collected from the fields with a location tag and later predicts with the model. And these predictions stored in an SQL database. And finally, this from this SQL database, I have been created an HTML field map where each plant was marked with colors. If the plant with diseases will be marked as red, and if the plant with healthy marked as green. This helps easy to find out which cauliflower was affected across the field. Um, as we can see, this was my uh, web applications for the farmers. It can be used for the cauliflower disease detections. So we can just detect for uploading image here. We can just choose an image. I'm choosing a random image from the internet and the analyze. You can just see the prediction here. The model predicts this was the disease with bacterial spot rot. And here you can also see down the field map. While clicking the field map, you can see the field map where the input images are placed in a manner, and here we can see the diseased one marked as red. The main contribution of this project is not only fine-tuning of YOLO models for the cauliflower diseases, but also combining it into farmers-friendly mapping system that works even in resource-limited conditions. So for this, it was my master's thesis. Thank you.